Good afternoon, the chairman and members of the high table. Permit me to stand on the existing protocol. Dear colleagues, welcome to the 15th annual conference of biochemistry and molecular biology, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to give the keynote address for this conference, at which I titled my topic, Unlocking the Mysteries of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. By way of introduction, biochemistry is the branch of science that explores the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms. It combines principles from both biology and chemistry to understand the molecular mechanisms underlying the various biological phenomena. Unlocking the mysteries of biochemistry and molecular biology is a monumental task that scientists have been diligently pursuing for centuries. These fields have delved into the intricate processes that govern life and its most fundamental level, from the chemical reactions within the cell to the genetic code that defines organism. Here are some key avenues through which scientists unlock these mysteries. One of them is research. Another one is technological advances, and then system biology. Together with all these and others, which we discuss in details in the course of this address. Then we look at medical application of biochemistry and molecular biology. Insight from biochemistry and molecular biology have profound implications for medicine, including the development of new drugs, diagnostics, and therapies for diseases ranging from cancer to genetic disorder. By combining these approaches, scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of biochemistry and molecular biology, shedding light on the inner workings of life and paving the way for new discoveries and approaches. Thank you for listening. Thank you.